24 natural ways to maintain youthful, glowing skin. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Eat a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to nourish your skin. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help improve circulation and promote healthy skin. 4. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep can help your skin repair and regenerate itself. 5. Manage stress. Stress can cause skin problems, so it's important to manage stress through activities such as meditation or yoga. 6. Avoid smoking. Smoking can damage your skin and increase your risk of wrinkles, age spots, and skin cancer. 7. Use sunscreen. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays by using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. 8. Moisturize your skin. Use a moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type to keep your skin soft and supple. 9. Use natural skincare products. Use natural skincare products that are free from harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances. 10. Avoid harsh cleansers. Avoid using harsh cleansers that can strip your skin of its natural oils. 11. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your skin can help remove dead skin cells and promote healthy skin. 12. Use aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin. 13. Use coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can help keep your skin soft and supple. 14. Use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial properties that can help prevent acne and other skin problems. 15. Use honey. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve your skin's health. 16. Use turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. 17. Use cucumber. Cucumber has a cooling effect that can soothe irritated skin. 18. Use rose water. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. 19. Use lemon juice. Lemon juice can help brighten your skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. 20. Use avocado. Avocado is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that can help nourish your skin. 21. Use green tea. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. 22. Use chamomile. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. 23. Use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help balance your skin's pH levels and prevent acne. 24. Use oatmeal. Oatmeal can help soothe irritated skin